Hey guys, welcome to Beauty Unboxing. Today I'm reviewing the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Jet Set Kit. This is a travel-friendly skincare set with 5 products. Let's see if it's worth $25. Inside this kit, you get 5 things. 1. Holy Hydration Face Cleanser. 2. Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. 3. Holy Hydration Face Cream. 4. Holy Hydration Eye Cream. 5. A Holy Hydration Night Cream, all vegan and cruelty-free. First is the Holy Hydration Face Cleanser. It's a gentle, creamy cleanser. It removes dirt and makeup without drying your skin. Smells fresh and leaves skin soft. I really like this one. Next is the Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. This is for removing heavy makeup. You take a little bit, massage it on dry skin, add water, and it turns milky. Then rinse. Makeup comes off so easily, perfect for double cleansing. Then the Holy Hydration Face Cream. This is a lightweight but super hydrating moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid and peptides. Absorbs quickly, no sticky feeling, great for day or night. The eye cream is next. It's smooth and hydrating for under eyes. Helps with fine lines and dark circles. A little goes a long way. Last is the night cream. It's thicker than the regular face cream. You use it at night to lock in moisture while you sleep. Wake up with soft, plump skin. So here are the pros and cons. It's affordable $25 for 5 products. Travel-friendly, vegan and cruelty-free. Good for all skin types, but have small sizes. Night cream may be a bit heavy for oily skin. Overall, I give this kit 4.5 out of 5. It's perfect for travel or trying e.l.f. skincare for the first time. Worth buying, yes, especially if you have dry or normal skin. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.